Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a very simple, basically one pot dish, a nice coconut rice pudding, using my trusty old beaten up small rice cooker. Served me through thick and thin. Yeah, very simple. Into that I'm just going to add 1 cup of jasmine rice. I'm going to be adding the same amount of some desiccated shaved coconut. So here I've got some Chinese 5-spice powder. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of that. And yeah, we can just stir that around a bit. I'm long past caring whether I scratch this rice cooker, it's so scratched up, as you probably noticed. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Now I've got here a small tin of coconut milk, that's 165 mils. In that goes as well. And again, I'm just going to give that a little stir. I'm going to get that in my rice cooker there. Get my lid on. And we're going to set that to cook automatically. Alright, we'll keep an eye on that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so my rice cooker there is just switched off cook and it's gone onto the warm function like most rice cookers do when they're finished cooking. I'm just going to pop the lid off. And I've got here a can of sweetened condensed milk, and that is a 397 gram can. And I'm just going to tip all that in there. You might have noticed we didn't add sugar earlier. This is going to be the sweetener. And I'm going to stir that through my cooked rice there. And once that's all stirred through like so, I'm going to actually turn my rice cooker off at the power point. So now even that warm light's off, we're just sitting there, and I'm going to get my lid back on there. And I'm just going to leave that sit for about 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, so as you can see I've just plated up some of my coconut rice pudding. I've just garnished it with a little bit of a couple of lime wedges. That's totally optional. I just like a little few drops on it while we're tasting it. I just like that bit of sour with the sweet. But yeah, the star of the show of course is this rice. I'd say my stack there is going to collapse. It's staying up. Let's just have a look up close. So yeah, it's just, I mean, standard looking rice pudding really, but it's got a bit of coloration from that 5-spice. Let's give it a taste. I'm telling you guys, for something so simple and so easy to make. You saw, just whack it all in your rice cooker there like that. That is an absolutely delicious pudding. I'm really happy with it. It was a bit of an experiment, worked a treat, and I'm even really digging those that little squeeze of lime. It just goes so well with that sweetness of the condensed milk. It's not overly sweet. There's still a lot of texture in that rice and in that those flakes of coconut, or the coconut shavings. Very delicious. I'm really happy. That's going to be a keeper, that recipe. Yummo. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Very quick and simple one. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to my channel. You guys are absolutely awesome. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it helps me, helps motivate me to keep going. If you're not a subscriber yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription button. There's plenty more videos to come in the future. There's lots of videos on the back catalogue. Maybe you could just check some of them out, even if you don't want to subscribe. Just give us a like if you like them. Maybe share it if you like them. Stuff like that. It all helps in that YouTube algorithm puzzle thing. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.